welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the very new episode of Street Style Fashion with Priyanka. If you saw my Sarojini Nagar vlog, you already know that I went to Sarojini Nagar last week and I purchased a lot of things in a budget, and I spent a lot of money, but I got every single piece that I got is amazing. And I wanted to show you some outfits that I got from there, other things that I got from there. I want you guys to know how we can create fashion in a budget, and you really do not need to spend a lot of money to create fashion and to look good. So without any further back, let's just begin with the video. See what all I have got. This is a try on haul. I want to try everything right in front of you, tell the price, how it looks, how it is, everything right here. And yeah, that's all about it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, do make sure that you click the red subscribe button and click the bell icon right next to it right now without any further delays. The first outfit for the day is this one, this black top. It's a ripped black top, and it fits my body very well. It's turtleneck top, and the price of this one is 150 rupees. The next outfit is this blazer that I got for 350 rupees. It's from the brand Marc Aurel. Only problem is I had to wash it once I got it, and I have to get this ironed for now. It's crushed and crumbled up. Please ignore that. The fit and the fabric is amazing. Just one thing it needs is ironing. This is the third top that I got. It's a long top, so people who are skinny and short can wear this as a frock as well. It has a bow kind of a thing in front. I've worn a bralette inside because it's quite revealing, but it's amazing. Well, I cannot tell you how much I love this shirt. Oh my god, I got it for 100 rupees only. The print, the fabric, everything. The way the shirt looks is amazing. I've just tied a knot in front to just style it up, and I just open the knot. Once I open this knot, oh my god, I can wear it to office, and I have worn it to office, and it looks amazing with my jeggings, my legging pants, and the trousers that I wear to work. Guys, this fourth piece, this shirt is from H&M. It's genuinely from H&M, and I got it for 100 rupees on the streets of Sarojini Nagar. The fit is amazing, the quality of the fabric is amazing, and it can be easily worn casually as well as to work. So it's an amazing, shirt. I have tied a knot over here in front, and again, I style it up like this as well. This is the sixth top that I got. It's quite frilly and nice, and I love the way it looks. It's quite different from what I've got from there. It's for 100 rupees only. Guys, this next piece of clothing is a top that I got from Sarojini. It's 150 rupees only. It's a peplum white color top. The fabric is amazing and it looks beautiful, isn't it? This outfit is this dress. I got it for 200 rupees. The fabric is very good, guys, and it's a very nice summery dress, off-shoulder dress, and I love it. This is the next piece of outfit. It's an off-shoulder top. It's for 150 rupees. It's a dark green color, and I love the way it looks on me and hugs my body. This is the next piece of outfit. This is the black top. I got it on the streets for 100 rupees only, and it's amazing. Like, I'm saying amazing again and again because all of them are amazing. Next up is this dress. It's for 250 rupees. I wore this one for YouTube Fan Fest, and I love the way it looks. I paired it up with a denim jacket, and voila, it was amazing.
one is this thread work kurta. It looks like a chikankari kurta. It's off-white in color. Got it for 350 bucks. The stuff and everything is amazing. The only thing is that it's loose. I have to get it fit. Also got this orange flare of Plazo for 100 rupees only. This dress I got for 250. This is from the brand Bombay Paisley. It's a good brand, I think, from West Side. And this one is for my mom. It's loose. I'm showing up to you guys because I wanted to show this dress. It's pretty nice. Next up is this kurta, 100 rupees only, from the streets of Sarojini. This is white in color. Just make sure once you get the clothes, get everything washed and ironed and then wear those. This is the same pair of Plazo. It's pink in color like the orange one, 100 rupees only.
So guys, I just saw there were so many outfits and there are so many more even now. I have some left. So this is a very long try on haul. I'm done trying a few things I couldn't try. I'm gonna show you those. So I got this Plazo pants. This is a Plazo pants and super comfortable, fits me correctly. Very nice. It's a white leg Plazo pant and I got this again, I guess, for 250 rupees. And the quality of this one is really amazing. They were selling some cheap stuff on the road, but my thighs are very, very healthy and thick, so it was not possible for me to buy those. I got one more Plazo, that's this orange one. That was some synthetic kind of georgette material and this is purely cotton material. So this Plazo again, I got this one for 150 maybe or 200. I am not sure exactly. I don't remember the price right now. So this was the second Plazo that I got. One more thing that I didn't try is this kurta. I got this for my mama. You guys can see the size of this one. So I got this for my mom and this is a very nice floral print kurta. I got this for 100 rupees only. Next up, I got a very nice dress. I was like so hopeful, so happy that I'll buy this, I'll wear this, but unfortunately the sudden increase of 5 kg weight after my wedding didn't allow me or didn't give me the opportunity to wear this beautiful dress. So till the time I don't lose some kilos or I just shred some kilos off, I cannot wear this dress. Anyways, this is a coordinate set. I couldn't show it wearing on the camera right now because the lower bottom Plazo, it's too tight. I cannot show on the camera. So this is the top. I washed it. I haven't ironed it. That's the reason it's crushed. You see there are two strands over here. We'll just like do a bow kind of thing over here, and this is a deep V-neck top. It's amazing. The fabric is very nice, guys, and the problem is only the size right now because I have gained a lot of weight. And this is the pant that comes with. This whole set was for 500 rupees and I am completely happy with it because it's worth every single penny that you pay. Next up, I have this Plazo. This is a chikankari or a threadwork Plazo. I got it for my mom and this is a beautiful one. This is white in color. The threadwork is all over in this Plazo and the bottom portion is also very nice. So this Plazo costed me around 200 rupees and I'm very happy with the quality of this product. Next up, I have a 100 rupee kurta. Couldn't wear it because I'm just tired changing outfits. This is the kurta. I got it for 100 rupees and it's not that special कि इसको मैं try on haul में इतना दिखाऊं, but yeah, मैं आपको इसीलिए इसको ऐसे दिखा रही हूँ. This is the kurta. It just costed me 100 bucks. The stuff is really nice and soft, apt for summers. With any dark colored Plazo legging, I can wear it and it's nice. It's amazingly nice. Next up, again one more Plazo. This is a kurta के साथ पहनने वाला Plazo. So this is also for 100 rupees. I didn't iron this. That's the reason I didn't show it up right now because मैंने पहन लिया एक बार और इसको iron नहीं करने की वजह से बहुत ही clumsy सा लग रहा है. So that's the reason मैंने इसको पहना नहीं अभी. And next up, I think this is the last clothing piece. नहीं, इसके साथ बाद दो चीज़ है जो मैंने नाइट वेयर में ली है. तो दिस इज़ अ कुर्ता. मैंने इसको भी पहन लिया और आयरन नहीं किया है और इसीलिए मैंने इसको आपको दिखाया नहीं अभी. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस प्रिंटेड कुर्ता. गॉट इट फॉर 100 bucks. परफेक्ट साइज फॉर मी. वेरी हैप्पी विद द प्रोडक्ट. नेक्स्ट अब आई हैव two more things to show you guys. लेट मी सर्च कहाँ गया यार. So I got this long top kind of a dress. I have so many of them. I got them from Shein, but I got this for 200 rupees from Sarojini. I generally wear this kinds of frocks only at home. एंड शीन में भी ना ये सेम चीज़ ही मिलती है, सेम फैब्रिक ही मिलता है, और यहाँ पे भी ये सेम फैब्रिक मिला है. शीन में महंगा मिलता है, सरोजनी में 200 रुपये का मिला है. एंड आई एम कम्प्लीटली हैप्पी विद दिस परचेज. नेक्स्ट अप आई हैव दिस 3/4 पैंट. द फैब्रिक इज सो सॉफ्ट. बिग बाजार का भी जो फैब्रिक होता है ना, उससे भी सॉफ्ट है ये. यू कैन सी द क्वालिटी. बिग बाजार के पैंट से कुछ कम नहीं है ये. एंड इट्स अमेजिंगली ब्यूटिफुली फिटिंग मी आउट रियली वेल. 150 की है ये जो 3/4 पैंट है. Now I'm gonna show you 3 jewelry pieces, 3 or 4 jewelry pieces that I got, and 3 pair of shoes. So guys, the first piece of jewelry that I got was this hoops. This was for 100 rupees. I love wearing hoop. I love wearing hoops, and ये बहुत ही amazing लगा मुझको, थोड़ा सा different लगा. So I got this one. I got some झुमकास. This one, ये इसका पैर मेरे हाथ में है. So this is the झुमका I got. I got it for 40 rupees. I got this in lime color. Again 40 or 50 rupees, and in this green color for my mama, again for 40-50 rupees. And this is also a beautiful piece. I got it for my mom for 50 rupees only. You see, it's very antique kind of a beautiful jewelry, and I love the way it looks. Next up, I'm going to show you the 3 pieces of shoes that I got. And time I just did not got any bag because मैंने बैंकॉक का पूरा ब्लॉग शूट किया था, वो डिलीट हो गया. बट मैंने वहाँ से बहुत सारे बैग लिए, तो मैं उसको रीशूट कर लूँगी. तो दिस वाज द पेयर ऑफ बेलीज दैट आई गॉट. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पेयर ऑफ शूज. दिस वन कॉस्टेड मी $200 and I think value for money, isn't it? The sole is also nice. 2-3 मैंने पहन के फेंक दो टाइप्स, and it's really nice. Next up, I got this pair of मोजरीज for 200 rupees. ये आपको easily अपने लोकल मार्केट में भी मिल जाएगी. But I got this one for 200 rupees from Sarojini. It's an okay quality का मोजरी, not something to get in Chandigarh. And again this flats. Again I got this for 150 or 200 maybe. 150 के लिए थे मैंने ये flats, और मुझे बहुत पसंद आए ये. 150 नहीं, 200 का लिया था. And साड़ी सूट सबके साथ पहनने के लिए बहुत amazing है. That's all about the clothing and the shoes and the earrings that I got from Sarojini Nagar. I know the video is very big, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, this first episode of Street Style Fashion with Priyanka. If you loved the video, if you loved my efforts, please subscribe to my channel. By that way मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि आप लोग कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हो, आपको अच्छा लगा, मेरी मेहनत पेड ऑफ हो जाती है यार. तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना. रेड सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करके उसके बगल में घंटी बजाना, और मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना आपको सबसे अच्छा आउटफिट कौन सा लगा. और आप अगर इस तरह की वीडियोज़ और देखना चाहते हैं, फैशन आउटफिट्स, हाउ curvy girl should dress up and things like that. So I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you.